front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. When you're ready, use this icon at the top right corner and click on your app over here. As you can see, now I can use it in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To use your app in full screen view, click on the top left corner, and to close it on the top right corner. You can also close it by swiping it in the background. Lastly, you can also open your app in pop-up view and click on those three dots instead of holding them. This way you can turn your app into this tiny window or mute your app by clicking on the speaker. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!